Are you interested in discovering lucrative opportunities to make money with AI in the United States? Look no further. The USA is a hub for technology and innovation, providing endless possibilities to capitalize on the power of artificial intelligence, AI, and generate substantial income. In this guide, we will explore various ways you can leverage AI to make money in the USA. One of the most promising avenues to delve into is AI-powered investment strategies. With AI algorithms and machine learning models, you can accurately predict market trends, stock performances, and identify profitable investment opportunities. Many successful traders and investors in the USA have already adopted AI platforms to optimize their portfolios and maximize returns. By harnessing the potential of AI in investment, you too can earn substantial profits while minimizing risks. If you have a knack for entrepreneurship, starting an AI consultancy firm can be a highly lucrative venture. Organizations in the USA across various industries are actively seeking AI solutions to enhance their operations, streamline processes, and gain a competitive edge. By offering your expertise in developing AI solutions tailored to their specific needs, you can generate substantial earnings. The demand for AI consultancy services is only expected to grow exponentially in the USA, making it a golden opportunity to make money with AI. Alternatively, you could explore the transformative field of AI software development, developing AI-powered software applications that address crucial industry challenges, can open doors to immense financial opportunities. Whether it's creating intelligent chatbots, optimizing automated customer service systems, or designing cutting-edge machine learning algorithms, the USA offers a vast market for AI software solutions. By catering to this demand with innovative and efficient AI software, you can generate significant revenue streams. Education and training are other areas where you can monetize AI in the USA. As AI technology continues to advance, there is an increasing need for skilled professionals who understand its intricacies. By offering AI-focused training programs, workshops, or online courses, you can share your expertise and help individuals and businesses adapt to the AI revolution. The high demand for AI education ensures a steady income stream for those who take advantage of this opportunity. Lastly, investing in AI startups can be a smart way to make money with AI in the USA. The country's thriving startup ecosystem is ripe with innovative AI companies seeking funding and support. By carefully selecting promising AI startups and investing in them, you stand a chance to gain substantial returns as their technology develops and matures. As AI continues to disrupt various industries, investing in AI startups can prove to be a lucrative long-term strategy. In conclusion, the USA presents immense potential for making money with AI. Whether through AI-powered investment strategies, establishing an AI consultancy firm, developing AI software, offering AI education, or investing in AI startups, there are numerous avenues to explore. With the right knowledge, skills, and determination, you can tap into the wealth of opportunities provided by AI and achieve financial success in the USA. So, why wait? Start capitalizing on the power of AI today and pave your way to a profitable future.